What is the goal of your writing? To analyze? To problem solve? To persuade? Today we're going to be talking about how to change your writing style in order to fit the tone that you need for your essay. While all essays should be based on concrete ideas and sources, that doesn't mean that they're also based on ideas, perspectives, and goals. So know what you are writing and why you are writing it, so that way you can change your writing style to affect the tone or the feeling that people get when they read your writing.
Start by asking yourself some key questions to prep your point of view. What is the point of your paper? Do you have some sort of solution to a problem? What is your idea or understanding about this topic? Persuasion. You want to convince someone you are right, or that your idea is good. There are certain phrases that can help set the mood for this goal. Analyze. Your approach is to learn more, to examine ideas without intentions on changing someone's mind. Try these phrases. Problem solving. You want to find a solution to resolve a conflict or problem. Why not try some of these phrases?
These are just a few styles that you could be going over with the use of transition phrases and a variety of terms and, of course, the vocabulary from your field. So make sure that you use the opportunity that we have with the internet to look up alternative words using the thesaurus or other options online. But that's enough for me. My name is Mark Maslar, and these are the 7 phases of great essay writing. I'll talk to you next time in the next video. But with that, happy writing, everyone.